English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 50.
If I save enough money, I'll go on vacation.
If I go jogging, I'll lose weight. If it snows, I'll go skiing. I won't go outside if it rains. If I cook, will you do the dishes?
If I save enough money, I'll go on vacation.
If you hold the ladder, I will paint the wall. If I eat healthily, I will lose weight. We will dance if the band plays good music. If we go shopping, I will buy you something nice. I will build the cupboard if you read the instructions.
What are you doing, Jilly?
Building a new cupboard.
Oh, why is all this newspaper on the floor?
To protect it. If I spill any glue, it'll go on the newspaper.
And what are all these bowls for?
The screws, nuts and bolts. I'll probably make a mistake if I don't put them in the right order. Can I borrow your electric screwdriver? I'll only use it if I really need to.
Of course.
Thanks. Now please stop distracting me. If I don't read these instructions carefully, I'll make a mistake.
OK. Just one more thing. Are you going to have the cupboard in this room?
No, why?
If you try and move it through the door once it's built, it'll get stuck.
You'll get wet if it rains. If he looks for it, he'll find it. I'll cook dinner if she's hungry. Will they fix it if it's broken? If I see him, I'll tell him to call you.
If you don't study hard, you will fail your exams. Unless you study hard, you will fail your exams.
If you don't get up now, you'll be late for work. Unless you get up now, you'll be late for work. I'll be angry if he doesn't turn that music down. I'll be angry unless he turns that music down.
Unless they listen, they'll get it wrong. You'll damage the floor unless you cover it. Unless you go to bed, you'll be tired tomorrow. He'll get annoyed unless you speak politely. The cat won't run away unless she's frightened. She'll arrive on time unless her train is delayed. Unless you attach it securely, it will break. We'll do the job unless it's too difficult.
End of lesson 50.